Skylar, any problem with your shoulder that I shouldn't put pressure on the arm to test it? Is it good? Okay. So if someone has, oh, my shoulder's really sore, then you can use the other arm generally. Now you bring the arm up, generally about 40 degrees. Let's drop it a little further. Now it's a relaxed hold. This is a muscle test as a biofeedback indicator of whether you have blockage or not. Now I can stabilize back here, but I don't have to. I'm pushing in the line of drive, just relax so they see it, just straight back to her side. She's going to meet my gradual increasing pressure, okay? Now I'm using the palm of my hand, and it's just the weight of my hand, ready and hold. Weight of my hand, a little more, little more, little more, and it's strong. Now I want to see what it looks like when it's under stress. It's not giving me an accurate response. So let's have you say, my name is Joe Biden.
My name is Joe Biden.
Now hold. And there it goes. So it's basically, well, that isn't true. It's like a lie detector in a sense. And that way you're able to see what's it look like when it's under stress. Then I'm going to show you how we find points on the body where the stress is. So now she'll say, my name is Skylar.
My name is Skylar.
And hold. Perfect. So that's how you would do the test. Again, it's just about the way you're in. You're not pushing hard. Only about, say, 6 to 8 pounds, like, say, 3 to 4 kilos. And now we're going to look at where energy is blocked in the body. Now, remember, every muscle and points on the body relate to acupuncture points and other reflexes that when it's under stress, a muscle that's strong will switch off. So I'm going to touch some points on her head here and see what happens. Okay, and I'm touching here, I'm touching over here. Oh, see how the arm goes? Now, I can see what meridian it is, and I'm going to check heart, did not change. Small intestine, did not change. Triple warmer, it changed. So here's the principle. When you touch something and the muscle switches off, it's saying, we have an issue there. We have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. So what I can now do is while touching here and it changed triple warmer and it now goes strong, it says, that's who we need to help. Now, all the meridians are pathways along the body. And what I can even do is I can touch the end of the meridian. This one is on the ring finger on the outside here. So what I can do is take this strong muscle and I'll touch that acupressure point at the nail near the little finger and see what happens. Hold. See, it goes weak. So that's telling me there's energy blockage there.